Creo 5.0 makes you more productive than ever. It's packed with hundreds of new enhancements and capabilities to help you design the products of the future. Computer-aided manufacturing, or CAM, gives companies the precision and control they need when creating production-ready parts. To take full advantage, companies need a smooth transition between product design and manufacturing. With Creo, you have complete control of this process. Creo's CAM capabilities extend from 2 to 5-axis milling, multitask machining, NC post-processing, and more. Creo 5.0 introduces the Creo Mold Machining Extension. The software generates optimized toolpaths for the fabrication of molds, tools, dies, electrodes, or any situation in which low-volume, geometry-based NC programming is required. Creo Mold Machining Extension enables faster toolpath generation and high-speed machining. And as with all CAM products, this extension is fully integrated with Creo. When your design changes, so do the toolpaths. Product design is changing quickly. With Creo 5.0, you're ready for whatever today's deadlines and tomorrow's opportunities may bring. Creo 5.0. Design the way it should be.